Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by confirming essentials so you can act immediately. Install Eclipse and eGit or enable Git support. Once done, open the Git repositories view. Next, create a GitHub personal access token with repo and workflow scopes because passwords are not accepted. Configure Git locally by setting user, name and user, email so commits are attributed correctly. Now, you're ready to clone or connect. Select Clone a Git repository in Eclipse and prepare to paste the repository URL and your PAT when prompted. You now perform the core actions. Paste the repository URL into Eclipse's clone wizard. Choose HTTPS if you will use the PAT or SSH if you configured keys. HTTPS is simpler for PATs. Select the branches you need, typically main, then choose a local folder for the working copy. After cloning, import the project into the workspace via Import Projects from Git. Make sure Eclipse detects project metadata. Finally, store the PAT in secure storage, so push and pull work without repeated. You complete the flow by making a small commit and pushing to origin. This verifies your setup. If the push succeeds, you're integrated. Make sure to pull regularly to avoid conflicts. If something breaks, check the PAT permissions and expiration first, because most auth errors stem from token scope or expiry. Also review Eclipse secure storage entries and Git remote URL. For SSH connections, ensure your public key is on GitHub and your SSH agent is running. Otherwise, authentication will fail.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.